What's up, homies, and welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you guys have a request for a tutorial, the link for the Discord is in the description below or up on the screen, and there's also a thank you button down on the bottom underneath the video. It leaves a tip, helps me out a lot. Okay, so today we're going to learn how to play Always Be Mine by Watah. This was requested by Cox over on the Discord. So grab your ukulele and let's go jam. Okay, so we're going to play an A chord. Over the top string here, 2nd fret, and then the 3rd string, 1st fret. We're also going to play E. Cover the top 3 strings here, 4th fret, bottom string on the 2nd fret. Oops, sorry. Okay, we're going to play B minor. We're going to bar this 2nd fret, and then cover the top string on the 4th fret. Okay, and we're also going to play D. We're going to cover the top 3 strings here on the 2nd fret. Alright, homies, let's go over the structure of this song. So we're going to start with an intro, verse, chorus. Hold on, chorus is kind of long. A 2nd verse, and then a chorus. And then out. And yeah. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. Oops. Oops, I keep messing up. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's tutorials. If you're new here, subscribe. If you like the video, give it a like. If you know somebody who wants to learn how to play this song, share it with them. And if this video helped you out, leave a tip with the thank you button below. If you have a request, the Discord's in the description, as well as the merch. And I will see you guys next week. Okay then.